Model, 2006 Land Rover Range Rover Sport 2.7 TDV6 HSE. Body, blue 4x4. Mileage, 162,189. Engine, 2720 cc TDV6. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. The steering is notchy and we believe the power steering pump needs replacing. It still starts and drives fine at the moment. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 2 keys, electric windows, cruise control. HPI, clear. Click the link